Go.
Okay, turn the transmitter on. Green light. Plug in the phantom in. Come on. There we go. Okay, steady. Plug the battery in fully. Close the door.
Both down the same way.
Or opposite.
Only if you're
Go every which way.